Dogs are known for being one of the most devoted and loving pets. They are born with the ability to comprehend human emotions and make us happy. However, they, like humans, have likes and dislikes, as well as things that make them upset or angry. In this video, we'll go over the top 10 things that pet dogs despise the most. Number 1. Ignorance. Dogs are social animals that are hardwired to seek attention and affection from their owners. Anxiety and depression can arise when they are left alone for extended periods of time or when they feel ignored. Dogs may become clingy or constantly follow their owners around, seeking affection and attention. This behavior is especially common in puppies or dogs who have recently been adopted because they are unfamiliar with their new surroundings and require reassurance. Number 2. Disturbing noises. Dogs have acute hearing and are frequently sensitive to loud noises. Fireworks, thunderstorms, and other loud noises can be frightening to dogs, causing them to hide or bark excessively. When they hear loud noises, some dogs may become destructive or attempt to flee. This is due to the fact that loud noises elicit a fear response in dogs, who may interpret the sound as a threat. Number 3. Poor hygiene. Dogs are naturally clean animals that require grooming and hygiene maintenance on a regular basis to stay healthy and happy. Poor hygiene can cause health problems such as skin infections and bad breath, which can be uncomfortable and make dogs unhappy. It is critical to keep their coats clean and well-groomed, as well as their teeth and gums healthy. Number 4. Lack of exercise. Dogs require regular exercise to maintain their physical and mental health. Dogs that do not get enough exercise may become bored and develop destructive behaviors such as chewing on furniture or shoes. A lack of exercise can also lead to obesity, which can cause health problems and shorten people's lives. Depending on the breed and age of the dog, different levels of exercise may be required, but it is critical to provide them with regular opportunities to play, walk, and run. Number 5. Punishment. Dogs are intelligent animals that can recognize when they have made a mistake. Punishment, on the other hand, should never be used as a method of discipline or training. Harsh punishment or physical force can make dogs fearful of their owners, resulting in behavioral problems and a breakdown in trust. The most effective methods of training dogs are positive reinforcement and rewards for good behavior. Number 6. Wearing uncomfortable clothes. While some dogs enjoy wearing clothing, others may find it distressing and uncomfortable. Clothing that is too tight or made of irritating materials can make dogs feel uneasy and agitated. It is critical that any clothing or accessories worn by dogs be comfortable and not cause discomfort. Number 7. Traveling by car. When traveling in cars, many dogs get motion sickness. This can result in vomiting and discomfort, making driving stressful and unpleasant for them. Furthermore, some dogs may become anxious and stressed as a result of the unfamiliar surroundings and movement of the vehicle. To make car travel less stressful for dogs, start with short trips and gradually increase the amount of time spent in the car. Providing them with familiar toys, blankets, or treats can also help reduce their anxiety. Number 8. Being left alone for a long time. When dogs are left alone for extended periods of time, they can become anxious and depressed. This can result in destructive behavior like chewing on furniture or digging, as well as separation anxiety. Dogs should not be left alone for more than a few hours at a time and should always have fresh water and toys to keep them entertained. Number 9. Strong odors. Strong odors can cause discomfort and irritation in dogs, who have a keen sense of smell. Cigarette smoke, perfumes, cleaning products, and other strong odors can cause dogs to sneeze, cough, or experience nasal and throat irritation. Strong odors can be toxic to dogs and cause health problems in severe cases. Number 10. Being chastised. Dogs are sensitive animals that can sense their owner's emotions and moods. They may become fearful or anxious if they suspect their owner is angry or upset. Scolding or yelling at a dog can make them feel threatened and damage the dog-owner bond. It is critical to communicate with dogs in a calm and assertive manner, and to avoid using harsh language or physical force. Positive reinforcement and consistent training can help to reduce the need for reprimands or punishment. Dogs are lovable and loyal pets, but they also have preferences. Knowing what your dog despises can help you avoid causing them pain and stress. You can ensure that your dog lives a happy and healthy life by providing them with love, attention, and a comfortable environment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.